Hope. In our lives, we all face moments of despair when everything feels difficult and nothing seems to work, but it is hope that gives us strength, reminding us that every problem has a solution and through our performance today, we want to show that no matter how tough the journey is, hope always shows us the way. Thank you.
This story revolves around the life of Sam. He's always worried and scared, so frightened that he has hired Destiny as his bodyguard because he believes everything lies in the hands of Destiny. So here he is in his counseling session, letting Destiny speak on his behalf. So, Miss Destiny, how are you feeling today? Well, I don't really know how I am feeling. I am often misunderstood. I am a content writer, but my annoying twin went around falsely claiming he read my book and misquoted me. I lost my job and now I'm hired as a bodyguard by Sam. Bodyguard? Destiny, you a bodyguard? Yes, I told him I am a writer for God's sake. But he just does not listen. I am an introvert. I don't like talking much. I am overloaded with work. You need peace of mind to unleash your creativity, right? Right. You are absolutely correct. But let's talk about your twin. No, no, do not talk about him. Because when you talk of the devil appears. Who is he? That's Despair, the demon. He's my twin. Unfortunately, I see traces of sibling rivalry here.
No, not from my side. I don't know what issues she has with me.
You don't know? You have been stealing my friends all my life.
Don't you understand destiny? I have a flamboyant personality. I am an extrovert and people get influenced by me easily. But you, on the other hand, are an introvert. Sammy, wakey wakey.
Oh my god, it's him.
Yes, it's me. I mean, you never fight with me. You listen to me. Sammy, you are doing great.
Not this time. I have a bodyguard. Destiny, help me to get rid of him and make sure I never see him again. Destiny? Destiny! Wait, I'm standing here in the battlefield and you are writing? I told you, Sam, I'm just a writer. This is your battle, Sam. You have to fight him. Are you serious? I can't fight despair, anxiety, and sorrow. All my life, I have depended on you. I am told that everything that happens is because you decided. That is why I never learned to fight and succumb to every ill fate. It's already written here.
Right, it's already written in the book of fate.
But it's empty. I can't read anything. That's because, Sam, I write a book that you, my friend, cannot read. Then, what am I supposed to do? Write your own, Sam. Write your own. I never knew I could write my own story. And now it hurts to see how many pages I left blank. I should have fought for myself when I kept waiting for destiny. A few days later, Sam's school announced an Earlier, Sam would have panicked, looked up at the sky, and begged Destiny to do something. But this time, something was different.
No destiny, no despair. This time it's me.
Aren't you going to ask me to write something for you in the book of fate?
No destiny. I will write it myself.
Sam didn't listen. Despair tried shouting in his mind.
Sam, you always lose. Just give up before you start.
No despair. This time it's me.
Sam didn't listen. Destiny did not have to speak because Sam had found something greater, hope inside himself.
I can, I will, and I must.
Sam ran. At first, his legs felt weak, his heart pounded, but now he knew that this time he will help himself, and he won.
Sam, you did it. You won. Yes, I won. Not because destiny wrote it, but because I believed it. Sam, I am glad you realize that destiny does not work alone, but it is our will and perseverance that makes us win the battle of life.
So, Sam, in life, destiny and despair don't decide everything. It is hope, will, and hard work living quietly inside us that turns ordinary people into heroes of their own story.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी कि जिंदगी कभी हाथ